Hey, how's everybody doing today? We're out here on this beautiful day in Asheboro to go take a flight out to Goldsboro, North Carolina. It's about an hour-and-a-half flight away to Wayne Executive Jetport. We're going to go visit a buddy of mine, Jonathan, and go check out his plane and his hangar. I figure I'd bring you guys along with me for the flight. I hope you guys enjoy this. Clear!
Cessna 594, Papa Foxtrot's going to be taking off runway 3 for a right turn out to towards the east, Asheboro. Alright, nobody approaching, don't see anybody on 80B. Alright, making good RPMs, T's and P's are in the green, airspeed is coming alive. There's 60. Climb it out at 70. But right now we're cruising at 5,500. Beautiful view over some of these little spotty clouds. Nice smooth air, pretty much hands-off flying. But yeah, it's gorgeous up here. Nice day for it. Up here it is. It's a little bumpier down below. But off to our left down here, looks like we got Siler City Airport. That's where the wife and I stopped for fuel on the way back from when we went to Low and Slow. But anyways, what I'm going to probably do is kill the cameras until I get a little closer to Wayne Executive, and I will pick you guys back up then, just to save battery on this one and to eliminate any issues I'll have with this one. I got backup batteries for this one with me, but anyways, I'll catch back up with you guys as we just before we start our descent. Okie dokie. Well, we are about 10 miles west of the Wayne Executive Airport, about to start our descent here.
Midfield brake to enter downwind runway 5, Wayne Exec.
Into Wayne Exec. And
Wayne Exec 15104 Cherokee, we're continuing to circle the airport. We're at 3,200, Wayne Exec. Wayne Exec, yeah. Turning left base.
It's busy on the radio today. It's a beautiful day and everybody's up flying.
Wayne Exec 6530 Whiskey is going to sit on the runway until we see both airplanes doing low approaches past Wayne Exec.
And Wayne Exec, Cessna 594, Papa Foxtrot's approximately 5 miles northwest of the field. Setting up to enter the 45 left downwind entry, runway 5, Wayne Exec.
Wayne Exec, RVA 59 Tango Papa, final runway 5 low approach. Aircraft on the runway in sight, Wayne Exec. Wayne Exec traffic, Aero 44, sub 4 is on the go, passing the aircraft stop the runway to the right. We'll be continuing up to the north. We'll go practice straight into C3. Wayne Exec.
Feel the temperature difference already. Getting down, it's getting warmer. I was able to contact my friend out here who just landed not long ago and said it was a bit turbulent on the approach into runway 5. So I'll make sure everything's nice and tight on the seat belts. Wayne exact, Cessna 594, Papa Foxtrot, turning final, runway 5, full stop, Wayne. I think we're gonna land with 20 with these bumps here.
Wayne exact, Cherokee 6 latitude whiskey, turning left, crosswind, runway 5, Wayne exact.
And Wayne exact, Cessna 594, Papa Foxtrot, short final, runway 5, Wayne exact. Our runways, mate. Oof. Could have been better. Could have been much better. And I think he's out there recording my crappy landing. And Wayne Executive, Cessna 594, Papa Foxtrot, we clear the active at Alpha 2, taxi into parking. Wayne Exec.
Wayne Executive Jetport is a beautiful place to fly into. Based off my homework, it dates back to the 1960s, where it was originally called Goldsboro Wayne Municipal Airport. But in 2023, it was renamed and currently sits on 249 acres with a 5,501-foot runway. It was recently paved in August of 2022 and has a new 10,000 square foot corporate hangar. There's plans in the works for new T-hangars for general aviation, and they have avionics and aircraft maintenance services on site, as well as flight training. There's some nearby restaurants, as well as Seymour Johnson Air Force Base has a museum. There she is. Heck yeah. That is a great idea. I never thought of that.
Like a pool noodle.
Yes. You know how scared I am of finding a spider in the plane with me when I'm up in the air?
I looked and these things are like $25 or $30 a piece. I'm like, screw that.
Yeah, that is a wonderful idea.
But it's just,
Yeah, that is perfect.
it stops it. That was the same thing, it just goes in there. It just stops it up.
No doubt. Yeah, I am definitely going to have to do that because being in the open hangar, I'm getting every bit of bugs and stuff.
From some guy, I don't know where he was from. You see him on the like a 150 sites.
I've got the plugs for here and the pitot cover, but I don't have anything for those vents, and that's an amazing idea.
We did flight training, we would open the vent and the dead wasp would fly in there.
Yeah, I haven't had that happen. Well, before I knew it, it was time to head on out and fight the afternoon turbulence. I want to say a special thanks to Jonathan and his wife Karen for showing me around the FBO, their hangar, and that beautiful 150 of theirs. This is the first footage actually I've ever seen of me taking off in an aircraft, so thank you guys for taking that for me. Too often I go up and I just fly around in my area. Although I love it, I like having a destination, or as I call it, a mission. It makes for not just a fun flight, but for an adventure. And this was one that I have truly enjoyed. There's nothing quite like soaring up above the earth, even if it's just for a little bit. And every time I go, I am truly appreciative of it.
And Ashboro traffic, Cessna 594, Papa Foxtrot over the field 2,500. Going to be joining the left downwind, runway 3. Ashboro traffic.
Understood. Engine out down to runway 4, Shelby. Runway 5, Shelby.
Ashboro traffic, 594, Papa Foxtrot, turn final, runway 3, full stop, Ashboro.
It's on Mike 7 Northwest, inbound for 627.
Runways main. All right. Well, that was awesome. A little nerve-wracking, a little bit of white knuckling, but good for me. That is the kind of stuff I need. I got to get out of my comfort zone a little. Yeah, to quit being a fair weather pilot. That was an amazing mission today. Awesome going out there and seeing Jonathan and his 150. I probably should have done some more recording of his airplane, but that gives me a good excuse to go back. So
10 miles to the southeast, inbound.
we'll tidy up this airplane and close out here in just a second. All right.
Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was just awesome fun for me. Except for the flight back. The flight back is a bit bumpy, and nerve-wracking. But as I said, it's good for me, sort of stuff I need to do to get out of my comfort zone. Thanks again to Jonathan and his wife Karen for meeting me out and showing me their hangar and their airplane, and just hanging out with me for a while and talking airplane stuff. It was an awesome way to spend the day. A lot better than mowing that yard. But as you see, Jonathan, I went ahead and took your idea and got the parts in there already. So thanks again for that tip. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that. As usual, thanks for watching, and y'all fly good. I'll catch you next time.